Well, the feature we have been waiting for literal decade is here. We now have the opportunity to reorder our Instagram grids. This means that if you are interested in having a slightly more curated feed where your posts just look like they go really well together, but maybe you posted two things in the wrong order, or you posted a design down here that you really wish was at the top of your grid, we can now reorder our grids on Instagram in just a couple of taps and have a beautiful design again that we don't have to delete or repost anything. So let's have a look on how to do it. It's so simple. So welcome to my channel. I'm so thrilled that you are here. Pretty much, if you don't know me, my name is Jacqui, and I am obsessed with helping everyday business owners create incredible branding and graphics for their business. And usually I'm doing tutorials or podcasts all around CANVA or branding or anything to do with strategy and getting us actually having businesses that perform without having to hire a designer. So today though, we're going to go into Instagram. Instagram is obviously a wonderful tool. It's something that a lot of business owners love to hate, but I always love to do this reframe of it's free marketing. Okay, back in the day, we couldn't just post and get thousands of people to see our advertisement. Now we can do that for free. Obviously, it's not always easy. It's a long slog. I know I've been there for over 10 years myself, but there is something about it that can be really helpful for us. And this new update is one of those. Now, the first thing I want to mention is that I actually don't have access to this on my business account at the time of recording this. It's being rolled out as we speak, so keep on checking back if you don't have it right now. You will hopefully get it in the coming weeks. That's just me guessing, but I dare say that it'll be true. What I do have it on is I have a separate Instagram account for our design agency, and I can show you how to use it on that account. So this is our brand new baby account for my studio, and it's going really nicely. We've got some really lovely posts in here. But for example, you can see down the bottom here, I have 3 purple posts. Ideally, those purple posts would be more kind of interspersed between the grid. Now, there is a caveat here I need to say. Do not let this feature get you super obsessed with a curated aesthetic perfect grid. Curated aesthetic perfect grids do not generally perform as well as we think they do these days. People are far more looking for real organic content they can get behind. So this is just a really great way to just neaten things up a little bit, but I don't want you getting stuck in, oh, now I can do this perfect curated grid. That is such a waste of your time. You're much more better putting your time into posts that perform well rather than posts that look great. I'll link a video here that you should watch if you are kind of trying to work your head around how aesthetic to go for your business. And so if you want to reorder a post, it's so simple. All you need to do is navigate to your grid. So you do that by clicking on the little circle on the bottom right-hand corner of your phone screen. Now, it's worth noting here that Instagram it's a mobile first app. You can access it on your computer, but if you're wanting to have access to all the settings, your phone is the best place to go for this. And I am unaware of this feature existing on your desktop at present. So on your phone, navigate to where you want to change or move a picture from. I'm going to maybe move this picture of me and my team and move that somewhere up the grid a little bit so I get some more variety earlier on. I'm going to hold my finger on the post I want to move. And you can see if I move my finger up a little bit, it's going to bring up some options for me. We have remove from grid, pin to main grid, reorder grid, like, comment, repost, and share. So today we're going to focus on reorder grid. If I tap on reorder grid, what it's going to do is bring up a little reordering section for me, and I can literally just tap on and move any post that I want to. So I'm going to go down to the bottom again, tap on this post, and I'm holding my finger down and I'm moving it around to where I want it to go. So say I might want to put it here. Beautiful. And then maybe while I'm here, I might reorder this one as well. I pick that one up, maybe move it around to here. And now you can see my grid has the purple interspersed just that little bit more. I don't want to spend heaps of time making it perfect. That's not the goal. Our goal is a professional grid that's not overly curated so it doesn't lose connection with our audience. So that for me, I'm really happy with that. If I wanted to change anything else, I can obviously do so, but I am actually quite happy with that. So I'm going to leave it there. So once I'm happy, I'm just going to press this back arrow, and you can see now that as I go down my grid, it's got those posts in that new order. So enjoy that feature. And if you ever are looking for support on how to make a beautifully incredible brand for your business, you can hit up my design studio if you'd like to outsource it, or if you are looking to save some money in your business, I would love to teach you how to do it yourself. I actually have a free masterclass called Design Tools to Get to 100K. And in that masterclass, I'm going to teach you things that you just need to know as a business owner, making your own graphics that you actually want to perform. I'm going to talk you through design mistakes you're probably making that is costing you clients. I'm going to do a live CANVA demonstration on taking your brand and applying it to a template. I'm also going to show you the ins and outs of what you need to have in a brand to make sure it is attracting your audience. Plus, at the end, I'm going to share with you some Canva shortcuts that are going to save you absolute hours. So make sure you join me for that session. And in the meantime, make sure you are subscribed to see more incredible tutorials on branding, Canva, Instagram, all of the things. I want to support you in that. So hit subscribe and I will see you for the next video. Bye.